There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I...
So I thought it'd be fun just to try out something a little different today and have you all spend the morning with me. So now that I've gotten ready, I'm going to go ahead and apply my oils for the day. This is my wellness roller. The bottle is from Whimsy and Wellness. I have an affiliate link with them, so there's always a link down in the description box where you can get 10% off. And in this, it's just for immune support. It's something I put on twice daily. It has thieves in it, pine, lemon, geranium, just a bunch of good oils that are good for not only immune support, but respiratory support. So I take it and I just roll it down my spine and on the back of my neck. And, you know, some people, you know, they're not really big on the whole wellness roller idea, but I can say that, you know, I don't really get sick anymore, knock on wood. But, you know, it's something I've incorporated. I think that it really helps, and I'm in a lot better health than I used to be, and I think this is just one of the preventative reasons for that. Then I also roll on a digestive support roller every day, and I just roll this on my stomach. I go in a circular motion, and I do that morning and night as well, also just as a preventative, like a support measure. I've always had just a super sensitive, terrible stomach, and oils and the Life 9 probiotic that I take now have really helped that. So morning and night with this one as well. And then kind of just for my emotional state, I've made up a little affirmation perfume roller, and this has joy, abundance, and valor in it, which I think are 3 things we need in our life every day. You know, everyone wants joy. Abundance can be mean a lot of different things. It can mean money. It can mean abundance of love, of health. So I think that's an important one to have in there as well. And valor, because I don't know about you, but I usually need some bravery throughout the day. So this, I just take, I roll it over my heart and on my pulse points. And yeah, that's it, just to kind of set the tone for my day. So I hope you enjoy this video. Like I said, it's going to be a little bit different. I haven't filmed a video like this before either, so I apologize in advance if it's a little bit awkward or jumpy, but yeah, I just thought it'd be fun to take you along with me today.
So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
So once I've gotten up and gotten ready for the day, had my coffee, because coffee is life, and put out any packages I have being picked up that day, then I go ahead and start working. This is usually around 7 a.m. and it just getting some computer work done. As you can see, right now it's still dark outside, so sometimes it's a little hard to get motivated and moving in the morning, but
I think I'm the most productive in the morning, so that's when I like to get this kind of work done. And then, of course, Luna needs attention. That we have to throw Frank a few times in the morning just to kind of get some of her energy out. She kind of thinks that I am at her beck and call 24/7. So there's always a few throws throughout the day that she has to get in, but it's kind of hard to turn her down with her cute little face. And then usually after I've been working for a little bit, I start to get hungry, usually around 8 a.m., and I go ahead and have some breakfast at that point.
So just gonna have my breakfast now. I just have a couple waffles with some peanut butter and a banana, as well as my medication and supplements. These two are sulfurzyme, and then there's 2 vitamin D in here as well, and the rest are just some medications that I take. So gonna go ahead and enjoy my breakfast.
And then next I was just getting my diffuser going. This is a big part of every day for me. I love getting the scent going in my diffuser and just kind of setting the tone for my day. Today I'm using Winter Spa, and that has a few different oils in it. It has eucalyptus, it has tangerine, it has ylang ylang, so just a bunch of soothing and relaxing oils. And I'm always on the lookout for new scent combinations to put in my diffuser. I do a lot of citrus, a lot of tree oils as well. And if you're someone who diffuses, what's some of your favorite scent combinations that you put together? Leave it in the comments down below, because like I said, I'm always looking for new combinations to try out, so I'd love to hear what some of your favorites are. And while I had a little pocket of time here in between work projects, I wanted to go ahead and get my curtains open and get some sunlight coming in for my plant babies and get my bed made. I always feel more accomplished in my morning if my bed is made. It's just, part of my routine and just gets my day going in the right direction. Plus, it's much nicer, in my opinion, to climb into a nicely made bed at night than one that hasn't been made all day. And it's a little bit later in the morning here, and I'm just getting some postcards together to send out to my Young Living community. My Young Living customers and my brand partners are a big part of what makes Young Living so special for me. So it's not only the great products, but it's the community I've been able to build. So I just like to send out little thank yous and little reminders that I'm always here to help if anyone needs me, just because community is so important to me.
Hi. So I needed to remake my bleach alternative that I use for my laundry. So I thought I'd show you how to make it real quick. Sorry if it's a little loud. The dishwasher's running because, we live here. But wanted to show you how I make this. It's a great alternative to bleach. It does use hydrogen peroxide, which it has its pros and cons as well, but it's nowhere near as harmful to your lungs and skin as bleaches. So it's what I use as just a better option to help with stains and brightening my laundry. So you will want to use a glass container, which I have right here. I just picked this up at Target. And then I fill it up with about half a bottle of hydrogen peroxide. And this is the 3%. This will run you about, in my area, 99 cents a bottle. And then I'm gonna add in a little thieves cleaner, which it's of course a new bottle, so it'll take me a second here to open it. And you definitely could measure. I don't measure anymore. That's about a capful. And then I add in a couple squirts of dish soap. This is the Thieves dish soap also. And then some purification, just to help with odors. Purification's really great for that. Has lemongrass in it and some other really strong deodorizing oils. And that's 10 drops there. Then hold please. I just top it off with water and give it a little bit of a stir. And that's all there is to it. I put a cup of this in the bleach dispenser of my washing machine whenever I do laundry. And it won't harm your colors, and it helps brighten your whites, and it's great for getting stains out. So yeah, just a kind of great alternative to using bleach. I've had good success with it, so if you're interested, you should give it a try sometime. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I've got some meetings the rest of the day, so won't really be able to hop on anymore for the remainder of the day. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit different, but I would like to sprinkle one of these kind of day in the life or vlog style videos in probably once a month. Maybe, you know, some days it'll be following me through the bath and body business. Some days just a little bit of everything, and you know, just something different so we can get to know each other a little bit better. So I hope you did enjoy today's video, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.
You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets.